Welcome guys to another channel, another day, another banger. Today is another day. I'm in my house. I was just studying. As you can see, I was studying my French. Yeah, those are my French. Don't mind about my handwriting. So I was studying. Just said, let me talk about my today. Today I haven't done any video, so this is my first video. Yeah. Today the weather looks like it wants to rain. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain any moment from now, but I don't know. The clouds aren't yet attached together, as you can see. They aren't attached in the far distance. So you see, even at Gong Hills. So yeah, today was a wonderful day for me. Yeah, I had a great day. Just come from eating my lunch. Today I've eaten lunch. That is rice. Yeah, it was a good day. I know me be wondering what rice, what kind of, you wanna see my lunch? Ooh, I will show you one day, but not today. So I just said, let me take a walk and see how the weather looks like outside here. Because today I've stayed indoor a lot. But that guys, here at our place, you may say it's a village, but it's okay. So we have come here to view breathe some air, check out let me show you my view. That's my view. As you can see, see how beautiful the view, and hear how quiet the place is. So the place is so quiet, even you can hear the bird chirping. I don't know which other place you can be that is so quiet and wonderful like this. So this is a great place. Even when you're bored, you don't feel anything. Yeah, so this is my day. Yeah, this is my day. And I've decided, let me take you around. Let me take you around. Let me take you around and show you my place, my area. Yeah, show you whatever how my day looks like. So it's so quiet, so quiet. Yeah, so quiet. Let me. I've decided to walk to the forest because it's not good for one to stay in the house long without doing anything. So yeah, this is so beautiful. By the way, guys, I didn't show you. My dogs give birth to some puppies. As you can see, there are some puppies. So you see, beautiful puppies. So if you're in need for a puppy, you can get one. They tend to come this side. So yeah, this is me walking around. Today is on date or it's on a Tuesday. Yeah, see how beautiful it is being in a quiet place with no noise. Yeah, with no noise, with nothing that can disturb you, just peaceful. And also you can see it, the rains enabled this place to have grass. As you can see, there are tall grasses, so there's plenty of pasture for the cows, but you don't let them to come to graze on this grass because they tend to destroy the grass. So I'm walking around. As you can see, whether the guys, have you ever seen an ant? See how ants are very incredible. They are building even on top of sand. You can see big colonies. Big colonies. This is what the book describes. The ant may be having no leader, but they build such massive construction. As you can see, you can call it a massive construction. So yeah, as you can see, we cut down the grass. We don't let the animal come and graze because they tend to come and destroy the grass. So this is my home forest. I come here to get some few breaths of the air, breathe some air in and out, relax my mind. Yeah, and see how my life how life it is. How life it is. But let me show you some type of trees that I found this place. We got this tree. This tree over here. These are the good trees because you can see this tree over here. I don't know what's happening with my camera, but that tree, when you cut it down, most of the time you don't cut down because as you can see they have tilted. They are tilted. I don't know what's happening with my camera. Oh my! So the video is destroyed. Oh, they have seen they have tilted. So most of the time you don't cut down. They just fall down on the chest. As you can see, some of them they are tilted, so they fall down on themselves. So those trees we use them to burn charcoal. And also the fun fact about these trees, we don't plant them. They grow on themselves. As you can see here, there's some other grown from themselves. So they are good trees. They are good trees because they save you time. They save you time on growing, on planting, because they just plant one and within a few days they will grow into massive trunks like this one, as you can see. Also, we have this type of tree. This is the young one of the tree that I'm going to show you. This one. The goodness of this tree, when you have a cut on you have a wound, you pluck the leaves. As you can see, you pluck the leaves. There's fluid coming out from it, so you take that fluid, apply it on your wound, as you can see. So this fluid helps to keep germs away from your wound. So that's the goodness of this tree. So long time ago, people were using these on treating their wounds before medicine came. But we thank God medicine came, and they are helping us. But yeah, and some of us we don't release our cultures. So also, better guys, if you are having planted grass on the field, make sure you cut down these Sodom maples, because they tend to grow in very quickly, spread very quickly, and they destroy the air. Like as you can see, they're spreading very quickly. So I would advise you to cut down these plants, these Sodom maples plant, because they will destroy your grass land. So yeah, this is my village. Village in Eastern Africa. Yeah. The goodness of coming up here is come and relax and view the beautiful views. As you can see over there, beautiful views. Beautiful views. As you can see, beautiful views. As you can see, let me show you. Let me show how we burn charcoal. I don't know how you burn charcoal in most of the time nowadays. People don't use charcoal, but that's the process of burning charcoal. That's the process the people use to burn charcoal. They arrange the stacks. They arrange the wood stack, the pieces of trees together. Then they cover it with soil, as you can see, to regulate the temperature. Then they bore holes so the fire stack can breathe, because fire needs oxygen. So that's how we burn charcoal. That's the fuel we use to regulate the temperature. Most of those who haven't seen how charcoal is burned, but nowadays don't use charcoal. Nowadays we use gas. So that's the process. Those who haven't seen how charcoal is burned. So yeah, that's all about my village. Yeah, it's so beautiful, so calm. See how the clouds are moving. The clouds are moving gently. So yeah, that's all about my village. Thank you for the subscription button. Like, hit the subscription button. Nothing else. Just hit the subscription button. Just hit that. Hit it.